Hello students, welcome to the computer class, and from now onwards myself Monamita ma'am, I'm going to take the subject computer, and I hope we will have an interesting session in the coming days, right? Fine. So before we jump into the tutorial, let me first wish you all Shubho Vijaya, and I hope you had a wonderful time during this puja vacation, okay? So today we are going to start off with a new chapter of your computer book, and this chapter is chapter number 6, app development. This is the chapter which is going to be included in your annual examination as well as unit test 3 syllabus, okay? So without wasting much time, let us start the tutorial. So the chapter, as you can see, I have written on the board, it deals with app development, okay? And today in this tutorial we are going to cover up two topics, which is what is an app or application and also the type of apps, okay? So students, you have often heard people talking about an app or an application or a program. So what exactly does it mean? So app is a type of a software that allows you to perform some specific task, okay? So you can find apps in the desktop application. Applications for desktop or laptop are called the desktop applications, whereas the apps which you can find in the mobile are called the mobile apps, okay? When you open an application, it runs inside the operating system until you close it. And most of the time you will have more than one application running at the same time, and this feature is called multitasking. That means you have opened different windows where you are presently working in a window, and at the back end there are several windows opened, okay? So some apps can be downloaded for free, and some are also available for the mobile devices or for some TVs, okay? So now we are going to study about the type of apps, whether in desktop or in mobile devices that we use, okay? Let us see what are those. Before I conclude my video, keep on watching this tutorial till the end, and if you face any problem, do call me or share your queries in my personal WhatsApp number, okay? Keep on watching. So students, you can see this is the desktop screen, and look at the pointer. So these are all applications, desktop applications which we can find, and these are several desktop applications which I have in my computer. So some desktop applications are much more full featured, such as the Microsoft Word. Here you can create any documents as you have learned in your previous classes. And apart from these desktop applications like Microsoft Word, there are some inbuilt apps too, such as this one is alarm, this one is clock, the timer, okay? This is the calendar app. You can see this is same just like a clock or the stopwatch you have seen just now. These apps are inbuilt apps in an operating system, okay? Now talking about word processors, word processor allows you to write a letter, design a flyer, and create many other type of documents, as you can see. Now moving on to the next topic, that is web browsers. Web browser is the tool used to access the internet. Most computers come with a web browser pre-installed, okay? Sometimes you can download the web browser from the internet too, okay? And these are some examples of browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. Now talking about the media players, sometimes if we want to listen to MP3s or watch movies we have downloaded in our computer, we will need to use a media player, okay? And by default, this is the Windows Media Player for Windows operating system. although I don't have anything right now present in my computer, but probably in the next time I will show you. So moving on to the next topic, that is games. There are many types of games you can play on your computer, and they range from card games like solitaire to action games like Halo. So right now this is the card game, that is the solitaire I'm showing you. You can see. So this is the popular Halo game, which is although not present in my computer, so let me show you it in the web. So these are the web results for Halo game, and many action games require a lot of computing power, so they may not work unless you have a newer computer. Now talking about web or online apps, website is also called web applications. That means web application is a collection of web pages hosted on a special computer, and that is called web server. So web server can be located anywhere and visitors can be located anywhere. Okay, like I am a visitor, I am surfing the net or web. So it will work through browsers, any browser you can work on. Suppose I'm working on the browser Google Chrome, so it can work on different browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Netscape, anyone. Okay. So desktop and laptop computers aren't the only devices that can run applications. So you can also download apps for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. So here are a few examples of mobile apps, such as the first app which you would think is that of Gmail. You have seen probably in your smartphones. With the help of this app, that is Gmail app, you can easily view and send emails from your mobile device, and it's available for Android as well as iOS devices. Okay. Another popular app for mobile device is that of Instagram. Here you can quickly share photos with your friends and family, and it is also available for Android as well as iOS devices. So students, you can see this is the home screen of your mobile devices, where you can see many installed apps, and these were all the mobile apps which we were talking about, the application which are installed or which we installed in a mobile device. Okay. So what happens that every computer and mobile device come with some applications already built in. Okay, so such as web browser and media player. So however, you can also purchase and install new apps to add more function in your mobile. So what happens that many app stores or most app stores include user reviews, okay, that can help you decide whether to download or not download that file. But some app developers and their marketers have posed as consumers to post positive comments. They actually act themselves as consumers or the reviewers and post positive reviews so that you can download that app in your mobile device, and to some extent or in any ways you are actually harming your device. Okay, so children, we will be discussing this topic today till this much. We will talk more about with the same topic and continue in the next class. So hope you had a good time enjoying this tutorial. Please feel free to share your queries if you have in my personal number. So meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and revise the lesson till how much we have discussed. Okay.